If Firefox is showing you the warning potential security risk ahead, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back to browsing safely and confidently. This problem is usually caused by an incorrect system clock, a VPN or proxy conflict, or in some cases, a certificate and browser setting issue. We'll start with the easiest fix first, then I'll show you an advanced option for trusted websites if you need it. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, check your computer date and time. This may sound simple, but it is one of the most common reasons Firefox thinks a website certificate is invalid. Security certificates work like digital passports, and if your device time is wrong, Firefox can mistake a valid certificate for an expired or untrusted one. To fix this, go to the clock in the bottom right corner of your taskbar, right-click it, and select Adjust Date and Time. Once the settings window opens, turn on Set Time automatically. This allows Windows to keep your clock synced with the correct time. After that, click Sync Now to force an immediate update. Give it a few seconds, then try reopening Firefox and visiting the site again. In many cases, this alone solves the issue. If you still see the warning, the next thing to do is turn off your VPN. VPNs can sometimes interfere with secure connections, especially if the server is routing traffic through a region the website doesn't expect, or if the VPN is modifying certificate checks. If you're using a VPN, pause it temporarily and refresh the website in Firefox. If the warning disappears, then the VPN was the cause. You can leave it off while accessing that website, or check your VPN settings to see if split tunneling or another connection mode helps. Now, if this is a website you fully trust, such as an internal company router, local admin page, or another safe environment where you know the certificate warning is expected, there is an advanced Firefox setting method you can use. I only recommend this for experienced users and only for trusted sites. To do that, open Firefox and type about config into the address bar, then press enter. Firefox will show a warning page. Click accept the risk and continue. This takes you into Firefox's advanced configuration settings. Now use the search bar at the top and look for security. Cert errors. Permanent override. If it appears, set it to false. Next, search for security in enterprise roots. Enabled and set that to true. This tells Firefox to trust certificates from the operating system's root store, which can help in managed or corporate environments. Then search for network. Strict transport security. Preload list and set it to false. This can reduce issues with certain sites that are being forced through HSTS behavior. After making those changes, restart Firefox completely so the settings can take effect. Once Firefox reopens, revisit the website and check whether the warning is gone. Just a quick reminder, only use the advanced settings method if you understand the risks and trust the website completely. If the site is public and you're not sure about the certificate, it's better to fix the time, disable the VPN, and verify the site before proceeding. Also, if none of these steps work, the issue may be on the website itself, and the safest option is to wait or contact the site owner. To recap, the fastest fix is to correct your date and time, sync the clock, turn off any VPN, and then only use about config changes if you absolutely need to bypass the warning for a trusted internal site. If this guide helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Firefox troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.